All right, WABAM U, here we are again. We are talking WABAM Spark today. This is our ceramic graphene auto soap. Could be used on trailers like behind me, motorcycles, trucks, cars, boats, you name it. So what we're gonna do again is use our famous WABAM snow machine. Can also be used in a bucket, but we love to push with the cannon. So 2 to 4 ounces in your cannon cup. Again, we fill up to the top dimple with water, and then we take 2 to 4 ounces. We like the 3 squeeze method. All right, let's get foaming. Here at WABAM U, we always recommend agitating our soaps, whether you're using your whiteout or your Spark.